All truths are easy to understand once they are discovered. The point is to discover them. You cannot teach a man anything. You can only help him find it within himself. In questions of science, the authority of 1,000 is not worth the humble reasoning of a single individual. I have never met a man so ignorant that I couldn't learn something from him. Nature is relentless and unchangeable, and it is indifferent as to whether its hidden reasons and actions are understandable to man or not. Mathematics is the language in which God has written the universe. To understand the universe, you must understand the language in which it is written. The sun, with all those planets revolving around it, can still ripen a bunch of grapes as if it had nothing else to do. Philosophy is written in that great book which ever lies before our eyes. I mean the universe. It is surely harmful to souls to make it a heresy to believe what is proved. Measure what is measurable, and make measurable what is not so. Doubt is the father of invention. Wine is sunlight, held together by water. Curiosity is the key to discovery. It is not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves. Nothing occurs contrary to nature except the impossible, and that never occurs. The Bible shows the way to go to heaven, not the way the heavens go. It is a beautiful and delightful sight to behold the body of the moon. Who would dare assert that we know all there is to be known? We must say that there are as many squares as there are numbers. I do not feel obliged to believe that the same God who has endowed us with sense, reason, and intellect has intended us to forego their use. Eppur si muove, and yet it moves. It is difficult to talk sense to those who refuse to listen. The greatest wisdom is to get to know oneself. The crowd is always wrong. If I were again beginning my studies, I would follow the advice of Plato and start with mathematics. The universe cannot be read until we have learned the language and become familiar with the characters in which it is written. Science proceeds more by what it has learned to ignore than what it takes into account. Passion is the genesis of genius. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance, but the illusion of knowledge. Truth is the daughter of time, not of authority. It has always been my delight to learn or to teach or to write. The Milky Way is nothing else but a mass of innumerable stars planted together in clusters. Vision is more than seeing, it is understanding. The laws of nature are written by the hand of God in the language of mathematics. Nothing is too wonderful to be true if it be consistent with the laws of nature. Observation is the foundation of all understanding. The sun is the center of the universe, and the earth is merely one of the celestial bodies orbiting it. Errors and false opinions are constantly on the move. He who does not know the truth is simply ignorant, but he who knows it and calls it a lie is a criminal. The pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending journey. Nature does not act by means of many things when it can do so by means of a few. Those who depend on superstition rather than science will always be deceived. We cannot teach people anything. We can only help them discover it within themselves. Knowledge grows when shared and explored. He who looks too much at the past will be blind to the present. Books hold the secrets of past generations, waiting to be understood. Ignorance may be excused, but willful ignorance is a sin against reason. The advancement of science is the only real progress for mankind. The road to discovery is paved with curiosity, doubt, and perseverance.